Jonathan.
Hey, Matt.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
Live on Facebook.
Awesome.
Showing everybody what's cool. I thought they had to see what you guys are doing.
This is cool stuff. It's been a great show.
Okay, we're at the AirTex booth with Jonathan, and AirTex has a bunch of new products now.
Yeah, so our number one product we're selling with the dealers is the AirTex Plus, which is the core of our system. And with that, it unlocks everything. And so one of the first things we talked about during our presentation yesterday was the moving map.
Okay.
And if you have an AirTex, you can get the data, the flight data from the airplane through the 429 sent via Bluetooth up to the moving map.
Okay.
So the price on that is list price $975, and it weighs a pound, HD resolution, and you get all your flight data.
So how do you install that moving map monitor?
We just started selling them, and actually people have been Velcroing because they weigh, it's loose equipment, carry on.
Okay.
Just put a piece of Velcro on the back and put it up on the bulkhead, and other people have put it on a arm mount in a cup holder. And
Okay.
so it works great. In addition to that, we came out with our Rosen charger, and a lot of these airplanes have these 6 or 8 Rosen bases in there.
Okay.
And
you can see there's a
Yeah.
little connector in there, right?
yeah, and the mounts, they have displays, older displays that lower resolution or not fixed. So we came up with a smart charger that's 2.5 amps per port, milled aluminum, and you just stick it down into the slot, and bam, you got a blue light. You can look down in there and see that it's on. And we have overcurrent protection, thermal protection, EMI filtering, and it's just a really high quality product. So
a lot of those Rosen mounts are kind of obsolete, right?
yeah, and this is a way to repurpose something that might not be used on the airplane. And
Okay.
so that's one of our key focuses. Another thing that we came out with was this. A lot of people might be familiar with this. It's an older Rosen arm. Well, if you send us your Rosen arm, we'll modify it to put a tablet holder on it. And so this is extruded aluminum. We have a plastic insert to keep from scratching the display.
Okay.
And we have the same 2.5 amp chargers on each side. So when you get to your destination, your devices are going to be totally charged, ready to go.
So remind us what the AirTex Plus does.
The AirTex Plus allows you to text for up to 16 users and place a single phone call. And all conversations are private, 16 people going at the same time. You need an Iridium antenna, a permanently installed antenna, and it uses Bluetooth to talk to your devices. So if someone just downloads our free iOS or Android app, just open it up. They don't have to pair. They don't have to do a Wi-Fi network. They just start talking straight to the AirTex box.
Cool. And how much are the text messages?
The text messages are 5 cents a message. So for $300, you get 1,000 messages for our annual service fee. If you go over that, it's just $100 to buy 2,000 more.
And you can also use WhatsApp on this now too, right?
Exactly. So we first started selling this in the U.S., but now we got customers flying this in South Africa. We've installed some units in Germany, South America, and we learned that in the U.S. we use text messaging, but overseas they're all using WhatsApp. So in the AirTex app, when you go to message somebody, there's a little switch, and you just say send via WhatsApp, and you're sending messages from your AirTex app to them via their WhatsApp.
Very nice.
Awesome.
Awesome. So what are you guys working on in your secret labs next?
So we can't say too much, but we're looking to utilize Iridium next to give kind of a filtered experience for internet. And so we're not going to let you do YouTube, and it's not going to you're not going to do whatever you want, but just a very filtered experience for things like iMessage, native WhatsApp, very light email without attachments, but just the stuff that people want to be able to do and stay in touch without the cost associated with the video streaming and such stuff like that.
Can't wait to see it.
Awesome. Thank you, Matt.
Thanks, Jonathan. Appreciate it.